A tragic case involving the death of an 11-year-old girl is still in its early stages in court, and today the victim's mother and aunt appeared before a judge. Now, this all comes as attorneys continue combing through a large amount of evidence tied to the investigation. Fox 61's Jamel Johnson explains where the case stands today.
The hearings for both Carla and Jacqueline Garcia were brief, with both sides saying there's a lot of evidence to go over before the case moves forward. However, we did speak with Jacqueline's attorney, Jonas Colodis, who dove a little bit deeper into what specific evidence they are looking over. Jacqueline Garcia was present for her hearing while her sister Carla Garcia was not. Jacqueline's attorney, Jonas Colodis, says the case is still in the discovery phase.
As you saw, it was a very brief court appearance. There really isn't much to report. We're still reviewing discovery in the case. There's a lot of discovery that's being provided to us. It's in all shapes and sizes. And as we get it, we have to review it, and then we have to review it with her, and then we're still kind of sorting out exactly what happened.
Colodis said he didn't want to get too in-depth about the evidence their side is looking over, but did mention some of the aspects that may prove vital in court.
In a case like this, there's a very extensive investigation that was done, and we are being provided body cams, medical reports, DNA reports, police reports. It's ongoing. They're continuing to provide it to us. So as they provide it to us, we have to review it, get through it, and then at some point we can sit down with the state and attempt to see if there's a resolution.
11-year-old Mimi's remains were found last October inside a plastic storage tote behind an empty home in New Britain. The state medical examiner ruled her death a homicide, saying she died from fatal child abuse with starvation. Police say Mimi had been dead since September of 2024. Carla Garcia, her boyfriend at the time, Jonathan Nanita, and Jacqueline Garcia all faced charges connected to the child's death. Nanita pleaded not guilty to his charges a few days before the Garcias were in court. A pretrial hearing for him is scheduled for May 19th. He also faces additional charges in relation to disposal of the body. According to Colodis, it may take a while until more substantial information is shared at future hearings.
As of right now, I would expect a similar type situation. Obviously, we'll have moved ahead with the review of the discovery, and hopefully we'll be in a better position to keep the case moving along. As far as her position and her culpability, I think at the appropriate time that's going to come out.
Both women are expected back in court on May 8th. In Torrington, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.